What's up guys? Today we're going to do an unboxing video on the Panasonic S9. I have not seen this camera in person until today. So this is my true reaction to this camera. Hopefully this iPhone will have enough space to actually make it through this video. All right, so should we open the lens first? Let's look at this super light box. This is a 26mm f8. It almost feels like there's nothing in there. I really should have got a tripod out for this video. Watch me like drop everything, break everything. So I didn't get a tripod, I'm holding a phone. All right, so I actually have another L-mount lens here in this package, so we'll take a look at that too. But this is an interesting lens. It doesn't come with any filter threads or any any autofocus. It's just at f8. There's no, it's super light. This is much lighter than like the Canon 28mm. So let's take a look at this camera. All right. So we've got a battery. I'll need to charge that. I've got a charged battery for this camera in that bag as well. And we've got a strap. And here's the camera. Let's use my lap so that I don't drop this first thing. So I wasn't quite sure how big this camera would be because I've seen several different videos where some it looks tiny and some it looks really big. So some of those guys had tiny hands because this is actually a pretty small camera. It's pretty similar to the size of the X100V or even the XE cameras. It's actually pretty small. It's as small as I thought it would be for sure. So I'm actually probably going to be covering up the Lumix in a video with some of these dots. I don't know that I'm actually going to use a Leica sticker. That's clearly not small enough, but I'm going to be covering up the Lumix with one of these, so it's more, blacked out. Yeah, without the battery or SD card, it's super light. I can feel the IBIS moving around inside. Okay. So yeah, I'll have some more videos on this camera soon. And I've got to make some videos comparing a few different L-mount lenses. Let's go ahead and put this on there. You can see there's electronic connections on there, but there's no actual autofocus on this lens. This is just a manual lens. This was free with the camera. If you get it from Lumix, from Panasonic, you can see everything's internal there. You can see it internally moving in and out. That's basically pocketable. Yeah, I like this. I think I'm gonna like this 26mm lens more than a lot of reviewers actually, just because I like a small pocketable setup. So we'll see. Maybe I'll test it out and hate it, but I'm pretty excited about testing this out. So stay tuned for more videos about this camera. I'm gonna have several videos coming soon. And I think I'll make a video right now comparing this lens to the 17mm f4 from Sigma that I have in this bag. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And yeah, scroll through my channel, check out my other videos. If you're watching this later on, I probably have a lot of videos on this camera already out on the channel. So yeah, stay tuned. Hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.